go-tos.
Foam roller. One of the key things that you can do pre-workout is foam roll. I start here from around my ankles and around my Achilles. I go ahead and lightly lay my both legs on top of there. So what I do, I allowed myself to put a little bit of pressure on my calves. Sometimes I have tight calves before a leg day or something like that. And you just basically roll yourself forward, as much pressure as you can handle, and then roll yourself back, all right? The better you get at this, you can lift your entire body off the ground and roll forward, roll back. You will feel some discomfort, but it does do wonders for you as far as getting that blood into those blood vessels and the fibers stretched out and getting that fascia into a place where it's ready to work out. You'll continue the same exercise all the way up to the top of your shoulders. And then same mechanics when you go on the front side of your body as well too. Chest, arms, triceps. Give yourself a good 15 minutes going into the workout to attack that foam roller to really get that fascia released and get you ready to work out.